how would you respond to those who describe ordinary as idol worship without a proper understanding of its essence?
Yeah, I will understand that some people are novice actually. The idol worship, Igbos never know they worship idol. Yes, Igbos are not worship. Those artifacts you are seeing, those images, believe in me, we are not worshiping them. We are not even kneeling before them. Ihe ndị Igbo na-agọ ọwụ ọfụ ka anyị na-agọ. Maka ya ịgọ ọfụ. Ịgọ ọfụ ebe buru oche tie mpa gị na mmụọ na-negotiate. Itu ofe afa, ịgwa ha na-ebịakwa n'ịbụ nwa ihe dị etu a. Na-ịgọ ha mere ihe dị etu a, na ha mere ihe dị etu a, n'ihi emere ha nke dị etu a. It's bargaining. Because we understand that ha bụ ndị angel nke Chukwu, but they are not God. You understand? The same way, mmadụ nwere ike isi wee bargain with agents of government in some certain things. So, Igbo spirituality, we don't bow to them, we don't worship them. However, we reference them. We understand that ha bụ ndị angel nke Chukwu, but we are not worshiping them. Each one of them are worship by worship. On you can go to Catholic Church, you see all those monuments, images, grottos. People will go there and bow, kneel down. They need him. Do you know what kneeling down means? Kneeling down is total submission. Yes, but in most spirituality we don't do, we bargain. You understand? When I went there, I sat down in my chair. We're watching you, Benyaka Joe for God or for. You know that? We bargain and why he ain't shot. I never can saw certain things in church. Where can I go and come in? You know what? We bargain. Oh, look about the need down. In most spirituality, kneeling down is not part of it. Actually, go for another coach. Oh, we are bargaining. So, upon in the Kubasalo referencing, or it was a reference. Yes, it was you only with governor, the future governor in the office. Does it mean that you're worshiping your governor? When you go before your father, for your father to bless you, or go to Nagochie, say no chair, the military Utiga can answer so what they are called governor of. Are you worshiping Nagochie? Even the time of their fathers, when one and I walk to go, the Berataro DNC and Nae Zuguna, or Totoma, Utia can answer Oriacum, why them, I'll be the Adregama, or Gozier, or worshiping, not worshiping. Here the time of worship we Hebrew. So Obuna near for those image. For some families say if you ever put the image of their late father, Obuna worshiping. What makes it worship is what you have in mind. Obuna in the highest respect. Need the highest obedient to. We hear our worship. Do you know that some people that worship their worship ego? Do you know that there are some people that worship their boss? Obuna your boss can see the boom mad. Not there, Chukwoki Apami Drogi. Then, Madi, you your boss against Chukwoki was the worship. You are worshiping your boss. I won't even work it. Man, because of ne like a wound, you will give a woman in a family. I won't hear you make ego, your woman, the ego key never. So, worshiping is all about he will the total submission in charge, now call a shot in your life. So, I want to Chukwoki can call a shot in your life. You will never do evil because all Chukwoki can respect the utmost worship because. Or so here they are referencing. We recognize them, but we are not worshiping them. So again. Ordinary Igbo either worship idol. Yes. Either which one that worship or idols, we no look. Ordinary Igbo, we recognize them, we reference them. When we have about Dulia. Nsopolo, I nenye Dangelo nke Chukwu. We had about hyperdulia and Nsopolo I nenye entities of powers. Mana Chukwu oke purely latria. Nyana mmadụ adị ama aka. Etu o si abụ na mana mụ na mmadụ onye dị etu adị na mma. Ị chọọ ka nyere gị aka fast track ya relationship between gị na onye a. Iwere mmanya bịa yọọ m sị m biko ka nyere gị aka yọtara gị ihe dị etu a. Ọ yọọ m. Does not mean na worship mana he believe only about personal relation. You are just building personal relation between me and you so that can nyere gị aka yọta something. Ọ bụrụ anya worship. Worship wo that thing anwa ị na-anụrụ okwu karịa Chukwu. Ihe ọbụla ị na-respect ị na-anụrụ okwu karịa ya ọnya ka ị na-worship. So ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ na-worship so many things, but I can tell you without missing words, Igbo spirituality are their worship ụmụ mmụọ kama we reference them. Thank you.